and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me your structure. Make me a person. Make me a person. Give me one break, I need that. Let to believe you. Let to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and 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 Okay, this is how my hair turned out. I did not cut any layers in it, so the bang is kind of doing its own thing. I do want to cut layers in it, but I am going to sell it when I'm done wearing it. This is how it turned out. It is 26 inches.
I feel like the hair is more fuller at the top than it is at the ends, if that makes sense. It took the color pretty well. I did end up running out of dye, or I would have dipped it one more time. I got a few spots and pieces that didn't get fully dyed, but overall, y'all, 10 out of 10. I love the way it looked. I love the way it melted. Like, y'all, get into it. Never did this color before. First time doing this color, first time stepping out of my box, and I love it. Like, get into it. The link to this wig will be in the description box below. This is not a paid promo. I paid for this wig with my own money. Just want to try something out, do something different. I will be trying more colors soon. It is summertime, so I do want to try pink, orange, yellow, green, literally you name it. Let me give y'all a little close up on how it look. My baby hairs could have been a little better, but y'all, my baby was crying in the middle of me doing my baby hair, so I was really trying to hurry the fuck up. But yeah, it does hold a curl wheel as well. I did use my curling irons. We are at 55K on the road to 100K. I love the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.